Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we will discussing the example based on square root finding without calculator. So, how to find square root without calculator? So, here 720 number. Here we use the division method to find square root without calculator. So, here we write the 720, and now our first step. Here we write the first step. Here we write the first step. What first step? First, first we find nearest to this number, nearest perfect square, this number, 720 number, nearest to perfect square. So here nearest, if we multiply 25 multiply 25, this is the perfect square of 25. Okay, so 25 multiply 25 is equal to 625, and here is 720. So now we another check nearest to 720. 26 multiply 26 is equal to 676, and here is 720. So now when we check also on 27 multiply 27 is equal to 729. So this number is less from 720. Okay, 720, and this number is greater from 720. So now we choose the 26 here one time, 26 table 26 time. Okay, so here 26 table 26 time, and here we write the 720. Okay, 676, sorry, 676, and now 10. Second step is simplify the minus. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4, and here is 1. So here we give from 1 from 7. Here is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, and now here 6 is 0. So here 44, and our third step to adding 26 plus 26. So 26 plus 26 is equal to 52. Here we write the 52, and now we check here 52 number. Okay, in divisor, and 44 is remainder. So 44 is less from this. So here we write the 0, and here we take the point. Okay, now 440, and here is and our next step, fourth step to here 52. So here we write the 1 multiply with 1. Okay, so now here also this number is less number. So here we write the 0, and here we not take the any point. So here point is only one time taken. Okay, so 4400, and now 521 multiply 1 is 521. So this is the less number from 4400. So now we check 52 7 multiply 7. Okay, so this number 527 multiply 7 is 3689. So check greater number nearest to 4400. So 5 2 here 9 multiply with 9. Okay, so this number we will get the answer 4761. 4700. So here is 4400. So we take the table 8 time. 5 2 8 multiply with 8. So here 4704. So also 52 7 multiply with 7. Okay, so now 3689. So we write here 7 times multiply with 7. Okay, and here write the 7, and our answer 3689. 3689. So here 4400 minus 3689, and we will get the answer. We will get the answer 713. Here we write 713. Now 26.7 is our answer. Here we write the 26.7. We are solving only one decimal after decimal place one time. Okay, 26.7, and further we solve this process is same. Okay, so here check our answer is right or wrong. So radical finding radical 7 to 1 is equal to radical 7 to 1 is 7 to 0 is equal to 26.8. So when we, this is the approximately answer is same. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.